Assalamu alaikum. Hello guys, how are you? I hope you all are fine. I welcome all of you here in this video tutorial today, and I'm here with a new lesson of right angle. We are studying right angles from Cambridge Primary Mathematics for grade 3, and it's on page number 110. Today we are going to study how to identify right angles. So let's have a look. You can find a rectangle on your screen, and we are going to check how many right angles are there in this rectangle. So if you remember the definition of right angle from the last video, that was whenever two lines are perpendicular to each other, this means they are making 90-degree angle. And you can use protractor to measure 90-degree angle, or any degree. For any angle you can use protractor to measure any angle. Now check out, can you find any right angle here? For the hint, I also explained that when a vertical straight line joining with a horizontal straight line with the same end, this means they are probably making right angles. Look at the first one. I'm talking about the top of the left. So it's a straight vertical line, just moving going upward from bottom to top, and thus joining with the one horizontal line which is moving from left side to right side, and they are having a same corner where the square is fixed, a small square is fixed. So a perfect straight line, vertical straight line joining with a perfect horizontally straight line, and they are forming a 90-degree angle. You know why we represent 90 degrees by this how we represent? We represent 90-degree angle by a small square box. This means we know that it is a 90-degree angle. This square is showing that this is a 90-degree angle actually. This is the first one. Now can you find second one? From top of the right angle, you see there is a vertical line going down, and this vertical line is joining another horizontal line which is moving from left to right at the second corner. So there, same vertical line, perfect vertically straight joining with a perfect horizontally straight. Again you have 90-degree angle, and you represent it by a same square box. So now you have two right angles. Can you check out more? Now from the first box, move to the right side horizontally line, moving to the right side, and if you see this joining with a vertical line which is moving from again upward to downward, and it's parallel to the next vertical line. So the perfect horizontal line meeting with the perfect vertical line having the same end, they are again making 90-degree angle. Can you find the fourth one? Obviously when this vertical line joins again the horizontal line which is moving from right side to the left side, so there you have another 90-degree angle which is right angle. If you measure all of these angles with the help of protractor, so you will surely find that these are 90-degree angles. So that means there are 4 right angles in a rectangle. Now we have a square shape. So as you know, square and rectangle both are same, they just have a little difference. In a square you have all sides are equal, and in rectangle you have only parallel sides are equals, or opposite sides are equal. So in a square you can check how many angles are, how many right angles are there. This is the first one on the top of the left. This is the second one on the bottom of the left, and third one on the top of the right, and fourth one on the bottom of the right. So square and rectangle, now you know that they both are having four right angles. And you know how you have to identify rectangle, how you have to identify right angle: when a straight or vertical line joining with a straight horizontal line, that's mean they are making an angle. Although it's not necessary that whenever every time straight line and a straight vertical line and a straight horizontal line will give you a right angle, but mostly you will find right angles when a perfect straight line joining with a perfect horizontal a perfect straight horizontal line, and they are having same ends, so that's mean they are making right angles. But you will find some right angles so in which the lines are not vertically straight and horizontally, but this is by this you can also know that how this will help you actually to identify easily. This we have arrow. Now can you identify that we are the right angles here? Well, if I look here, so vertical line that's joining with two horizontal lines, one from the top, one from the bottom, and then they are joining with another line. The top one is going upward while the bottom one is going downward, and then they are having a sloped line. So you can have a right angle here, I think. Yes, because this is a straight vertical line on the top of the left I'm talking about. This is a straight vertical line and joining with a straight horizontal line, so they are actually making a right angle. What's next? Exactly, this is the same also vertical line. Now this joining with the bottom horizontal line, and this also straight vertical line is also straight, and they are making 90-degree angle. Can you find another 90-degree angle here? No, because if you see at the corner, the opposite side on the right side, if you see, so there are two sloped lines. When you have sloped lines, so you know that they are not making 90-degree angle, because when you look at the horizontal line, and there should be a perfect straight line then. So this is not a perfect straight line, it's actually a slope line. Move to the next. Triangle. Can you find any right angle here? Look, triangle, there are three sides, right? One is the base, or the other two you can say these are the slope lines. So you have a perfect horizontal line here, but you are unable to find a perfect vertical line here. If I talk about the left line, and if in any way I can make this line into a perfect vertical, so like I can move it, I move this way backward and make it straight, so I can have a 90-degree angle. And but otherwise in this shape there is no right angle, because these two lines are sloped and they are having less than 90-degree angle, of course, because our perfect 90-degree angle will have a straight line, and they are having slope over the, if I talk about the left side, they are having slope on the right side, so it should be backward. And if you talk about the right hand the right slope lines, it should be vertical to the right side in order to get right angle. Now we come to the exercise question, which is on page number 111, and that is asking, draw the shapes that have one or more right angles. So you have different shapes here, and these shapes are actually made up with the help of matchsticks: A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L. First you have to identify how many of them are having right angles, and then you have to draw these shapes. Whether any shape having one or more than one right angles, we have to draw all. So check with the first one. The first one is A. So A is a triangle, and they are not having any right angle here like we studied, because not a straight vertical line here, a perfect horizontal line, but not a straight line, two sloped line. When we come to B, oh yeah, so there are right angles and we studied about it. So how many right angles are there in B? 4. One on the top of the right, top of the left, bottom of the right, and bottom of the left. Now come to the C. It's actually right angle triangle, and it's just a name. This name is right angle triangle because it has one right angle. Otherwise, if you see the figure A, it is not having right angles, so that's all just only triangle. But for C we say right angle triangle. And where is the right angle here? You can just find vertical line. We are joining a straight horizontal line with a perfect with a same end. That's a vertex actually where they are making right angle. Come to D. We have done completed D also. There are two right angles here. At the end of this arrow, where a vertical line joining with the horizontal line, one with the bottom of horizontal line and one of the top of the horizontal line. So there are two actually right angles. If you look at E, so you cannot find any right angle here. There are too many slopes and only one horizontal line. In F, even you cannot find any right angle. There are two slope lines which is joining horizontal line, and then these two lines again, two slope lines are joining, so they are making angles, but their angles are not 90 degree. If you look at G, so you will not find even in G. Look at H. In H you can find how many right angles, because if you see, there is one vertical line joining with one horizontal line. So if you talk about the end of this L, so on the top of the left side you will find one, and on the top of the right side even you will find one, because they are both vertical lines are joining with the one horizontal line at the one hand on the left side and on the other hand on the right side. And the same vertical line when come to the bottom joins with another horizontal line which is moving to the right side. So this is the third corner where they're making the third right angle, and when this horizontal line moves and joins another small vertical line, there they make another right angle. So this is I think fourth one, and then when it moves, when it joins, the small vertical line joins with another horizontal line which is moving to the left side, so there the figure is making another right angle. So overall you can have 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 right angles in this figure. And if you look at I, so you cannot find any right angle here. No horizontal line, no vertical line, you cannot find. Even in J you cannot find. All the majesticks are in slope, and where there you have two horizontal lines here, but because they are joining with a slope line, so you cannot find any right angle here. But in K, if you look carefully to K, so this is look like a square. If you turn the square, so you can find this figure, and they are having actually right angles, and they are having four right angles. One on the first corner, second corner, third corner. Every corner they are making 90-degree angle. I told you that it's not necessary to have a perfect straight vertical line and straight horizontal line for right angle, but mostly if you follow this, so you will find mostly right angles. But here these are because this is just you turn the shape of the square, you move the shape of the square up to left, and you will find same figure. So there are actually four right angles, and in J there is no right angle.